Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's a little different, just a chill day. It's just actually a small mukbang with some little Debbie stuff. We got zebra cake and fudge brownie. And on our menu for drink today is Arizona watermelon. I'm so thirsty, so I'm gonna just take a sip of this. And obviously, as you can see, my hair has volumized. Literally only lasted a day. I just got it done yesterday, so yeah. So much for Dominican blowout, but I'm probably going to get it done again next month. Yeah, that's pretty much that. What are you guys up to today? I'm not doing much. Figured this would be a little treat. Remember to leave suggestions in the comments down below. Having creators block again. So just leave comments on what I should do next. Let me know any YouTube trends, because I really haven't been watching YouTube that much, or I haven't really been on here that much. I just started back, so I don't really know what's going on. I'm not in the loop of anything. I love my hair, even though it volumized. Really pretty, luscious. Anyway, I have a flat iron, so if I want to make it more straight, I could just do it myself. So. I think I'm gonna just save this one for later. When I crave something sweet, maybe another day. This was okay though, this is pretty good. Haven't had these in a while. I know, I'm so disgusting. I'm digging my nose on camera. But I don't know how to edit, so I know how to edit to an extent. But I don't know how to cut out things. Last bite. That was really good. Yum. I must have been really thirsty because this thing is like almost finished. These things are usually really big. Went down the wrong pipe again. Well, sorry about that. No, but if you guys have suggestions, please leave them down in the comments below. I'm having a little writer's block, so whatever's trending, I don't know what is. I'll probably look up some too. But if you guys know any, just put some down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a like, leave a dislike. Comment down below. Let your girl know. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.